So working with media gives the chance to convey expert perspective on important issues, get evidence into public conversations, and highlight the important work researchers are doing. So there is some evidence that media exposure leads to higher citations and more downloads of the paper. So use the media to inform the public about what really causes or contributes to public health and development issues, and educate them about the concepts of the health and community. So recast problems such as gang violence and drug abuse are the public health concerns that affect everyone, not just individuals. So media channels can help you to get your research in front of the right audience. So whether you want to influence policy, find industry partnerships, or impress new funders or collaborators, the right radio, TV, or print interview can help you to connect. So working with media gives the chance to convey experts perspective on important issues, get evidence into public conversation, and highlight the important work researchers are doing. Not only does this contribute to public debate, but can help to maintain and build support for scientific research from the public, so who ultimately pay for it, a lot of it. So media work can raise your personal profile and boost your. Okay, working with media encourage other professionals and community members to find out more about public health and development issues in general, and to get involved. So during the announcements of the new project, for example, you may want to recruit more funders to your organization. So media work can raise your personal profile and boost your career, as well as that of your department, so the university and the organization you work with. So there is some evidence that media exposure leads to higher citations and more downloads of the paper. So your work or expertise being featured in the media can also attract the attention from the potential collaborators, that can be funders or learned societies, leading to new opportunities. So how we have to begin this relationship? Like if you haven't worked with media before, it can seem a daunting prospects and be hard to know where to start. So fortunately it is available. So like the university press office advice about ways to engage media with your research, like provide interview tips and practice, help write press releases, pitch stories to journalists, and much more. So in addition, some funders, including research counseling councils and managed organizations like Science Media Centers, offer some free media training sessions for the scientists. So you might also want to consider the working with the conversation, which works with the academics to produce evidence-based experts. So commentary on important, interesting subjects are accessible languages will be available. So first we have to be working with the press office, like give us as much as time to possible to work with you on plans and preparation. So and keep posted on developments like publication dates. If you have studied coming out that you think will be net newsworthy, let the press office know as soon as it accepted. So news is like there are various news stories. So it always worth speaking to the press office about what you have coming up. So a new research finding that advance or the changes our understanding of a subject of interest to the public. So it's hard to get media to cover papers so which are already published because they are considered out of the date. So with that we have to be like the whatever story we are going to be tell, that should be relevant, can lost of the people relate to what the story is about. So for instance, stories about health, sports, a relationship tend to be picked up because lots of people are interested in those subjects. So human interest should be there, is human interest, is there an interesting personal story involved? So can someone involved talk about how the research affects their life as a case study. So is there an intriguing personality at the center of the story? When you have information that can be tied to community news, when using an opportunity for publicity, when your issue has reached crisis proportions, when a media opportunity makes the difference between the adoption or rejection of a law or regulation you support or disgrace with, when you have achieved something important. So, strategy for the media, or we can say that in today's environment, people want to be served, not sold, involved to be told. Where do the media fit in the when reaching out and involving with the stakeholders? So, it has the various strategy like building relationship face to face. So, earning trust through the relationship motivates behavior. So ironically, when a relationship is formed, people will accept and pay some uh, heed to your communications. And one more strategy we can use, make internal publics top priority. In reach before outreach, only satisfied employees can deliver customers' delights. So consider an under the radar approach to the bypass media, like as journalists become entertainment oriented voyeurs and the media credibility and reach continue decline, rarely can media help. So even if disposed to do so, so they can hurt sometimes. Because in skeptical times, it is easy to sow doubt, but bad news is travel grapevine fast. Instead, go direct and keep publics. Don't make yourself overly visible, since that may attract media snooping. So you have to be consider the strategy of use accountable, focused, measurable programs. So once you called soft, these public relations programs is incorporate value adding efforts. So strategic philanthropy value added and cause related marketing and loyalty programs are prominent example. And one more strategy you can use, that is expand research far beyond statistical surveys. Research has gone beyond lip service to be the backbone of the programming and strategy setting. So top research techniques are participative focus groups, panels, and studies and gap research. So public relations practitioners know that one-way information transfer is insufficient. So we must pursue the ideal of the two-way dialogue involving stakeholders and offering them service information or events in the key. And I can say that tips for preparing work with media, how we have to be prepared with media. Preparation is key to becoming comfortable time with calls, media calls and interviews. So the tips should be like, tell the truth, never lie, always tell the truth. If you don't know or aren't sure, say so and don't guess. Your credibility is stake. Being truthful does not mean telling all you know. Use good judgment. So for the record, anything you say to a reporter is fair game for the story. If you don't want it reported, don't say it. Asking a reporter to go off the record is not appropriate. So don't ask reporters not to print something after you say it.